is talking about.
What's up, family? After his caretaker parents died about 20 years ago, Vernon Gray, a disabled man, lived with as many as 500 rats as his only companions. Now the Washington State Department of Social and Health Services has agreed to pay Vernon $8 million for failing to check on him. It's said to be the largest settlement of its kind in state history. According to the Washington Post, one neighbor said rats could be seen swinging from drapes and licking condensation off the windows. They could be spotted outside of the home too, scurrying through the tall grass of the lawn. Neighbors grew concerned that the rodent-infested home was a health hazard to Vernon and surrounding areas. They placed numerous calls to social workers to intervene. Agents first claimed, get this y'all, that they couldn't determine if Vernon was truly in need of help. Another agent claimed that the home was too unsafe to enter. So what did said agent do to remedy the problem and secure Vernon's safety? Did said agent call in reinforcements? Did he call in the troops? No, that's too much like right. That would take a person with some common sense. Guess what said agent did? Simply closed the case. Absolutely amazing. And then at the end of the day, they stroked the check and said, I'm sorry. Wow. Can you imagine how traumatizing something like that is? This man lived like that for years. For years. As rats, as his only companion. Now, I know some of y'all out there are thinking, at least a few of y'all, live amongst the rats, 500 rats for a few years, get $8 million, I'll take it. You know, I mean, we had a few rats when I was growing up, was able to deal with that. $8 million, 500 rats? No, man, no, absolutely not. Let me tell you something else. I hope that the state appoints Vernon a conservator to oversee his funds, because he just doesn't sound like a person that can do it all by himself. And I know that there are crooked lawyers and accountants out there, and I'm sure that his family members are going to come out of the woodworks like those rats. They're going to come from every crevice of the world to try to get their filthy hands on that money. They showed his face and they gave his name. You better believe they're coming from everywhere. I hope somebody don't set the dude up and kill him. You know, get in, try to marry him, or some type of way gain control of his account, get control of his money, and then off him. Because that happens a lot. It's a cold game, man. It's a cold game. So many people that work in government don't know what the hell they're doing and just don't care. And the few who do care, they're catching hell because there are so many evil people at the apex of every single major institution in America. Evil fucking devils. Think of one institution. Come on, I'm gonna give you time. Think of one institution. One institution in America. Think of one major institution. Give me one. I'll take just one that's not corrupt. Name one. This is a sad, sad case. Police did not intervene until 2017. By then, Vernon was homeless, legally blind, and covered with lice. If you were a caseworker for Vernon Gray at the Washington State Department of Social and Health Services, your mama should be embarrassed and your daddy should have pulled out. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?
Yeah.